Hey everyone, Michael Klepik here, and today we're diving into a critical topic, laboratory gas scrubbers. Because keeping the air clean in labs isn't just about protecting science, it's about protecting scientists. So, buckle up as we explore how these devices keep your lab environment safe and healthy. Safety problems in laboratories. Let's face it, working in a lab isn't always a walk in the park. For chemical professionals, a day in the lab can involve synthesizing compounds, prepping samples, or performing a wide range of research activities. Many of these tasks come with significant health risks, especially when dealing with dangerous chemicals. Whether you're working with toxic reagents or dealing with fumes from volatile compounds, you're at risk of inhaling harmful substances that can have long-term effects on your health. Personal protective equipment and standard ventilation systems are often the first line of defense, but sometimes they're just not enough. That's where specialized equipment like laboratory gas scrubbers come in. These devices help remove hazardous substances from the air, offering a much higher level of protection for anyone working in a chemical lab. Laboratory air cleaning. Why you need a gas scrubber. A laboratory gas scrubber is an essential tool for cleaning the air of harmful impurities. These scrubbers remove fine particles, vapors, gases, and other hazardous substances from the air. From alkaline vapors and acids to organic and inorganic gases, they help ensure that the air you're breathing is as clean as possible. Not only do gas scrubbers protect human health, but they also reduce the risk of equipment corrosion and fire hazards, and they help minimize environmental pollution. So if you're running a lab where dangerous chemicals are part of your daily routine, a gas scrubber is more than just a nice to have. It's essential. How does a lab scrubber work? At the heart of a lab scrubber's operation is a simple but highly effective principle. The device brings the contaminated gas stream into contact with either a liquid or a solid adsorbent. This contact traps nearly all the unwanted substances from the gas, leaving clean air to be released back into the lab environment. The type of absorbent, whether liquid or solid, is selected based on the specific contaminants in the gas stream. This flexibility makes laboratory gas scrubbers an incredibly effective solution for a wide range of chemical hazards. Whether you're dealing with fine particulate matter or volatile organic compounds, a lab scrubber can help keep your air and your people safe. Types of laboratory gas. Lab scrubbers come in several forms, each designed for different levels of contamination and purification needs. While they're much smaller than their industrial counterparts, laboratory scrubbers function using the same basic principles, making them highly efficient at handling lower volumes of harmful gases and particles. Here's a breakdown of some of the key types of lab scrubbers. Hollow scrubbers. Hollow scrubbers are among the simplest and most compact types of scrubbers. They're great for handling gases with low concentrations of contaminants. Think of them as the workhorses of laboratory air cleaning. Straightforward, reliable, and easy to maintain. Packed bed scrubbers. Packed bed scrubbers are the go-to solution when higher efficiency is required. These scrubbers are filled with packing material, either random or structured, that increases the surface area for gas-liquid contact. The gas passes through the packed bed, and the absorbent does the heavy lifting by capturing harmful particles. If you need to purify more complex gas mixtures or deal with higher concentrations of contaminants, this is the tool for the job. Ion exchange scrubbers. Ion exchange scrubbers are less common, but they're invaluable for specific processes like electroplating, etching, and welding. These scrubbers specialize in removing specific ions, such as heavy metals, from the gas stream. While they aren't as widely used as dry or wet scrubbers, they provide an extra layer of protection when needed. Choosing the right scrubber for your lab. Selecting the right scrubber for your lab depends on the specific contaminants you're dealing with and the volume of air you need to purify. Here's how the different types stack up. For low concentration contaminants, a hollow scrubber is probably your best bet. It's compact, simple, and gets the job done with minimal fuss. For high efficiency purification, a packed bed scrubber is your go-to option. Its random or structured packing gives you a larger surface area for trapping pollutants, making it ideal for more complex or concentrated gas streams. For specialized processes like electroplating or welding, an ion exchange scrubber is the perfect fit. It handles specific ions that other scrubbers can't capture, offering targeted protection for unique applications. In some cases, labs may even opt for a combination of these scrubber types to tackle different contaminants. For example, a wet-packed bed scrubber might be paired with an ion exchange cartridge to provide comprehensive air cleaning capabilities. Why packed bed scrubbers stand out? Packed bed scrubbers are especially popular in labs for a few key reasons. Efficiency. With their larger surface area for gas-liquid interaction, packed bed scrubbers can handle a higher volume of contaminants without compromising performance. Flexibility. Many packed bed scrubbers can operate at variable airflow rates, making them ideal for labs that need to adjust for different volumes of air. Customizability. Packed bed scrubbers can be fitted with different types of packing materials, random or structured, depending on your lab's specific needs. Random packing offers great efficiency but requires more space, while structured packing is more compact and has lower aerodynamic resistance, allowing for more precise control of flow characteristics. Safety first. The importance of scrubbers in the lab. Lab safety is about more than just wearing gloves and goggles. In a high-risk environment, the air you breathe can be filled with invisible dangers. Volatile gases, chemical fumes, and particulate matter can pose serious health risks over time. A well-chosen lab scrubber can remove these threats from the air, ensuring a safer workspace for you and your colleagues. And while standard ventilation might offer some level of protection, it's simply not enough for certain hazardous chemicals. That's where a lab scrubber steps in, providing an extra layer of defense that's critical for maintaining a healthy and safe working environment. So there you have it. Whether you're dealing with gases, vapors, or fine particulates, a laboratory gas scrubber is your best friend in keeping your air clean and your team safe. Until next time, folks, stay safe, stay clean, and keep scrubbing.